Hello everyone, welcome to Roni Tuitions. Today we are going to learn the linear equation in two variable 10th standard exercise number 3rd in that substitution method. To find out the solution of linear equation in two variables, so there are the two variable, so there will be the two solution will be there. So we are going to this one, we are taking the question from the textbook, and that is that first main. In that first one, x plus y is equal to 14, equation number 1, x minus y is equal to 4, equation number 2. First of all, we have to choose one equation. So suppose that I choose the equation number 1, so I can write it like this way: x plus y is equal to 14. Then I choose the variable. Suppose that I want to find the value of the x first, then y is equal to 14 minus x, and this we can give the number equation number 3rd. Now this equation, the value of y is equal to, we keep into the equation number 2, not the 1. Not the whichever the equation we taken, in that should not keep, whichever not chosen, in that have to keep. Now we are writing substituting value of equation 3rd into equation number 2, not 1, because of one we choosed here, so that we note. If we are choosing the second, then we are going to keep into the first one. Now keeping, where is the, this is the second one, x minus y is equal to 4. So wherever the x written, minus this minus y, behalf of y we are writing 14 minus x, 14 minus x we written. Now behalf of y is equal to what? Is equal to 4, is equal to 4. Now we kept it x minus 14, minus into minus plus x is equal to what? 4. We can write x plus x, 2x. 2x minus 14 is equal to 4. Then we can write it like this: 2x is equal to 14, 4, and this side will go, then it will come plus 14. Then 2x is equal to 14 plus 4 is equal to 18. So we can write now x is equal to what? X is equal to 18 divided by the 2. Because of this 18, this is in multiplication, that side will go, then it will become the division. Then x is equal to 9, because of 2 1 ja 2, 2 9 ja 18. We got the x value. X value good. Now keep this, put this value into equation number 3. Now putting x is equal to 9 into equation number 3. Then we can get it. What is the equation number 3? Y is equal to 14 minus x. So y is equal to what? 14 minus x value. What we got? We got the x value is equal to 9. Then y is equal to 14 minus 9 is equal to 5. So we got the x and y value. X comma y is equal to, we got 9 comma 5. 9 comma 5. If you are understanding it, please like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel. Now we are going to take the another second question in the first main. S minus 1 into t, s minus t is equal to 3, equation number 1. S by 3 plus t by 2 is equal to 6, equation number 2. Suppose that in that we are choosing the any equation. First, this is not in the proper way in the fraction form. We are taking in the linear form. Linear form means what we are going to do it, whatever the LCM is, that multiplying by that numbers. So this 3 and 2 LCM is the 6. So this number we have to multiply by the 6. So what will become? See here, s by 3 into 6. So we can cancel it 2. So we can write 2s. Okay. Otherwise this also can be done like this also. Here LCM taking. LCM in 6. S by 3 into 2 by 2. Downside LCM 6 become. Plus t by 2 into 3 by 3 is equal to 6 into 6, because of LCM is 6. So this can be written the 2s by 6 plus this can become 3t by 6 is equal to 6 into 6, 36 only. So this number can downside also in that 6 only. 1 by 6 by 6 it is written in that. So 1 only, that 6 multiplying. Then what can become? It can become like that. So 2s plus 3t is equal to 36. It is like that because of LCM taken the both side. Total LCM taken for that side. Here can write 1, so 6 by 6 in that. So like that. So this can be written. So now we are writing it like this. Otherwise this way also, as by 3 into 6, 6 then it will become the 2 years. 2 years. Then that number it will taken the t by 2 into 6. Then it will become the 3t. 3t is equal to 6 into 6 is equal to 36. Like that also can be written. This only same equation will come. So we are writing it t minus s minus t, sorry, s minus t is equal to 3. Equation number 1 only. This equation we can write this equation. What that? 2s minus plus 3t is equal to 36. Equation number 3 we can write it. I hope you understand it, how it came by that way method. Otherwise by the LCM method, LCM type also it can be done. So now we are choosing one equation. Suppose that I choose the equation number 1 in that, and the variable I choose the t I chose, or yes, anyone. So taken the s minus t is equal to 3. Then s is equal to, it can be 3 plus t. This is equation number 4. This is equation number 4. That now substitute this value. Substitute value of equation number 4 into equation number 3. Equation number 3. So what it will become? It will become like that. If you are keeping into the value that, so equation number 2, yes value what? 3 plus t plus 3t is equal to 36. Is equal to 36. Now this multiply 3 into 2, 6 plus 2t plus 3t is equal to 36. Then we can write it 6 plus 5t, 2t plus 3t is equal to 5t is equal to 36. Then 5t is equal to 36 minus 6. This number will go that side. Then 5t is equal to 30. T is equal to what? 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6. 5 1 is 5, 5 6 is 30. T is equal to, we got the 6. Now this t value putting into equation number 4. So what will come? S is equal to 3 plus 6 is equal to, then S is equal to 9. S is equal to what we got? 9. Keeping into the equation number 4. Then next taking the another one more question, that is the question number 3 and 4. That is your for homework. Now we are taking that in another questions of that. This is the third question, first and third question in that. So we can choose any one equation. Suppose that I choose in that this time choosing the second one. So what will become? 9x minus 3y is equal to 9. In that I choose the variable x. So 9x is equal to, it can become 9 plus 3y. Then x is equal to, it can become 9 plus 3y by 9. This total term. This is equation given the number 3rd. Equation number 3rd given. Now substituting, because of its substitution method, substituting value of equation number 3 into equation number second I choose this time. So we have to keep into equation number 1, not the second. Into equation number 1, whichever chosen in that opposite of that I have to keep the values. Now in that one, so x value 3 written as it is 3 into x, behalf of x writing 9 plus 3y by 9. Then minus y is equal to 3. Now this can be cancelled by the 3 times. So we got 9 plus 3y by 3 minus y is equal to 3. In that we can take the minus 3 common can be taken. This can be written in the 3 into 3 plus y by 3 minus y. 9 and 9 plus 3y common taken 3. So this can be cancelled is equal to 3. Then we got 3 plus y minus y is equal to 3. So this also then we got that y cancel and 3 is equal to 3. Means it suggested that it has the many solutions, many solution it has. Last time we read that if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, then many solution, many solution, many solution. Why? Because of lines are coincident lines. Lines will be the coincident line, like that it is. If a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then it is guys the unique solution, then it is the unique solution. If a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2, then it is no solution, no solution it is. So it has many solution. Any one question can be, answer can be written, that one. Now we are going to the next question. Next question, that is the fourth question. Taking the next question, it is the 0.2x plus 0.3y is equal to 1.3, equation number 1. 0.4x plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3. So first of all, so we have to see that it in the points are there. So we have to take in the linear form in that. So we have to multiply it numbers. So equation number 1, in that also after the point 1 digit, after the point 1 digit, after the point 1 digit. In that also after point 1 digit, after point 1 digit, after point 1 digit. So we multiply by that. Same we can write, otherwise multiplying by that. So writing both equation multiplied by 10. So what we got, we are multiplying it by 10. So 0.2x plus 0.3y is equal to 1.3 multiplied by the 10. Then this also 0.4x plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3 total multiplied by the 10. Then what we got, we go in that we got 2x plus 3y is equal to 13, equation number 3 we got. Now we can write in this also, in that 4x plus 5y is equal to 23, equation number 4. Now we have to do the substitution method in this. Now suppose that we are choosing the first equation number 3rd chosen. So we can write it 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. Now choosing the variable y. So we can write it like this, 3y is equal to 13 minus 2x. Then y is equal to, we can write 13 minus 2x by 3. This is equation number 5 we got. Now substituting equation number 5 into equation number, because of we choose the third, so we have to keep into the equation number 4. Substituting value of equation number 5 into equation number 4, because of third we chose. So in that we are going to, so wherever the y written there, so it is written 4x plus 5. Behalf of y writing 13 minus 2x by 3 then is equal to what, 23, is equal to 23. So now we are doing it, 4x plus 13 5 is 65 minus 5 2 is 10x by 3 is equal to 23. Now whole number you multiply by the total 3 only, because of it is one denominator is there in that 3. The whole term multiply by the 3, then what will happen, 4 3 is 12x plus 65 minus 10x, because of 3 multiplying by 3, then what will happen, it will become the cancelled, is equal to 23 3 is 69. Now we can write it like this, in this way, 12x minus 10x is equal to 2x is equal to 69, and this number will go that side, then it will become the 65. It will become the 65. Then 2x is equal to what, 69 minus 65 is equal to 4. Then x is equal to 4 divided by the 2 is equal to 2. Then x value we got, x is equal to 2 we got. Now keeping this x value into equation number 5, into equation number 5 we are keeping, means putting x is equal to 2 into equation number 5. Equation number 5, what will come, y is equal to 13 minus 2 into 2, because of x, 2 into 2 x place by 3. Then y is equal to what, 13 minus 3 2 2 is 2 the 4 by 3. Then we can write it like this: 13 minus 4 is equal to 9 by 3 is equal to 3. 13 minus 4 is equal to 9. Or 3 1 3, 3 3 9. So y is equal to what we got? 3. X value what we got? X comma y is equal to 2 comma 3. We got the answer for this one. Let's taking the another questions from our textbook only, and that is the question number 5. Question number 5, what it says, it is given that equation number 1, root 2x plus root 3y is equal to 0. Equation number 1. Root 3x minus root 8y is equal to 0. Equation number 2. Now we have to choose one equation for that one. Any equation. Suppose that we choose the equation number. Suppose that we choose the equation in that first equation. So we can write it first equation. Root 2x plus 3 root 3y is equal to 0. I can write it like this. Root 2x is equal to minus root 3y. Can be written. Now x is equal to, we can write minus root 3y by root 2. This one downside went. This we got equation number 3. Now substituting this equation into equation number, first we choose the in second one. So here writing substituting value of equation number 3 into equation number 2. So what we got? In 2 we are keeping root 3 as it is writing. Root 3 into behalf of x, what writing? Minus root 3y by root 2. Then minus root 8y is equal to what? 0. We can write it. Now we can do it multiplication. So root 3 into root 3 is equal to 3 only. Okay, because of root 3 and root 3, root cancelled upon 3. So it will become the minus 3. Minus sign is. Y is there, y written. By root 2 is equal minus root 8y by 1 we can write is equal to 0 we can write. Now this we are solving. So it will become the, by the multiplying by the root 2. So this will become minus 3y, then minus root 8 into root 2. Root 8 into root 2 and then y. Okay. Multiplying by the total 2 by this. Then is equal to what? Root 2 into 0 is equal to 0. Is equal to what? 0. So we can write it like this. What we are going to write in that? Minus 3y root 8 into root 2 is equal to root 16. Root 16y is equal to 0. Then minus 3y, then minus this root 16 root what? 4. So 4y is equal to what? 0. Is equal to what? 0. Then we can write minus 7y is equal to 0. Then y is equal to what? 0 by minus 7. Then y is equal to what we got? 0 only. Any number 0 divided by any number, 0 will come. Y value we got. Now we are going to get the value of the x. So keeping that, put this value into, putting y is equal to 0 into equation number what we got that time? 3. Equation number 3. Then we can write x is equal to minus root 3 into y. Y is equal to what? 0 by root 2. By root 2. In that we kept x is equal to minus root 3 into y. Y we have of 0 and root 2. Then x is equal to what? 0 multiplied by root 3 is equal to 0 only. 0 by root 2, or 0 by root 2 means again 0 only. So x and y value what we got? 0 we got. Understanding? I know you are understanding. Please like the video, share also. Now we are going to the question number in that first main last one, that is the question number 6 one. In that it is given 3x by 2 minus 5y by 3 is equal to minus 6. Equation number 1. X by 3 plus y by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. Equation number 2. Now in that fraction form, first of all we have to change into the normal numbers, or that is linear number. So 2 and 3, what is the LCM? LCM is 6. LCM is 6. LCM is 6. So we can write it like this also. 3x by 2 minus 5y by 3 is equal to minus 2. Taken whole, see once. Taken that whole LCM is the whole up to the here RHS LHS both 6 only taken. 6 divided by 2, 6 divided by 2, we got the 3. 3 multiplied by 3 into 3x, minus is there. 6 divided by the 3, 2 came. 2 into 5y is equal to what? Here 1. So 6 divided by 1, 6. So 6 into minus 2. We can write it. So we can write 3 3 is a 9. 9x minus what? We done written it 10y is equal to what we got? Minus 12. It is equation number 3 we got directly total. Because of both side we taken the LCM, so that LCM not denominator not writing now. In that also it is written x plus 3, x by 3 plus y by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. Taken the LCM for both sides 6. Both side taken. The RHS side also RHS same only. 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. 2 into x plus 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. 3 into y is equal to 6 divided by 6 1. 1 into 13. So we can write it like this in this way. 2 into x 2x plus 3 into y 3y is equal to what? 13. Equation number 4. Equation number 4 we got. Now 3 and 4. Let me write upside and downside. So it is written 9x minus 10y is equal to minus 12, and then 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. In normal way it is came. Now we have to choose one equation. Suppose that we choose the equation number third we choose. Now so it can be written in this way: 9x minus 10y is equal to minus 12. Then we are going to find the value of the, suppose that x choosed. So 9x is equal to minus 12 plus 10y plus 10y. We can write it like this way: x is equal to minus 12 plus 10y divided by the 9, and this we got the equation number 5. Equation number 5. Now we writing substituting the value. Substituting value of equation number 5 into, now which one we choose? We choose the third one. So we are going to keep in the fourth one. We are going to keep in the fourth one into equation number 4. So what is the 4? 2x. So 2 into x, behalf of x writing minus 12 plus 10y by 9 as a one term, plus 3y is equal to 13. Now we are going to solve it. So what is that we are solving it? 12 to the 24 minus 24 plus 10 to the 20, 20y by 9 plus 3y is equal to 13. Now we can write in the multiplying by the 3, 9 both side because of denominator. So minus 24 plus 20y plus 27y, 9 3 are 27 is equal to 13 9 are 117. Now we can write in this way: 20 plus 27 is equal to become the 47. 47y is equal to 117 plus 24. Then 47y is equal to 117 plus 24 is equal to, then 117 plus 24 is equal to 141. Then y is equal to 141 divided by the y. This is the 47. Sorry. 47. Then y is equal to 141 divided by 47 is equal to 3. 47 3 ja. So y is equal to, we got the 3. Then keeping this y value into equation number 5. Okay. Putting y is equal to 3 into equation number 5. So this is the equation number 5. Then we got x is equal to minus 12 plus 10 into y. What is the value of y? We got 3 divided by what? 9. Then x is equal to minus 12 plus 30 divided by 9. Then x is equal to 30 minus 12 is equal to 18. 18 divided by 9, or 9 1 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18. So x is equal to, we got the 2. X is equal to what we got? 2 we got. Let's taking the another question. That is the most important question for your textbook. It is saying that solve 2x plus 3y is equal to 11 and 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24, and hence find the value of m for which y is equal to mx plus 3. mx plus 3. Find the value of m. Now first of all we are writing the equations up and down. So it is written 2x plus 3y is equal to 11, equation number 1. The equation number 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24, equation number 2 it is given, and then we are going to keep the value into it. Because of y value will come, x value will come, m value we are going to find out. Now first of all let's just choose the one equation. Suppose that I choose the equation first one. So what will become? It can written 2x is equal to 11 minus 3y. Then x is equal to, we can write 11 minus 3y by 2. This is the equation number 3. Now substituting equation 3 into equation 2. Because of 1 we choose, so we are going to keep into 2 only. So what is the second? 2x, 2 into x actually is what? 11 minus 3y by 2 minus 4y is equal to minus 24. These two cancel, so we can write it like this: 11 minus 3y minus 4y is equal to minus 24. Then this will become 11 minus 3y minus 4y is equal to minus 7y is equal to minus 24. Then minus 7y is equal to minus 24, and this number 11 will go to the right side, then it will become minus 11. Then minus 7y is equal to 24 and 11 is equal to minus 35. Minus minus cancel, so we can write y is equal to 35 by 7 is equal to 7 1 ja 7, 7 5 ja 35. Y is equal to, we got 5. Now keep this value, keeping y is equal to 5 into equation number what? 3. Equation number 3. So we got x is equal to what we get? 11 minus 3 into y value what we got? 3 or 5. 3 into 5 by what? 2. Then x is equal to 11 minus 3 5 are 15 by 2. Then x is equal to what? 11 minus 15 is equal to minus 4. Minus 4 by 2 means what? Minus 2. X value we got, x is equal to, we got minus 2. Y value we got the 5. Now it is saying that find the m value of m is equal to, then it is written y is equal to mx plus 3. Y what we got? 5 is equal to m into x what we got? Minus 2 plus 3. Then we know 5 is equal to minus 2m, 2 into m, 2m plus 3. This 3 will come this side, then it will become 5 minus 3 is equal to minus 2m. Then it will become the 2 is equal to minus 2m. Then m is equal to what? 2 by minus 2, or 2 by 2 minus 2 is equal to what? Minus 1. So we got the m is equal to minus 1. We got the answer in that. Let's taking the another one question, that is the third main first one, that is the verbal problems. To solve the verbal problem, first of all, in this lesson or in this linear equation in two variable, there will be the two condition will be there, so that it will become the linear equation in two variable. Two variable means two condition will be there. Let's taking the one example of this question. Question number in that, the difference between two number is 26. Two number are there. In the difference is 26 and one number is 3 times the other number. First condition up to the here, the difference between two number is 26. First condition. Second condition, one number is 3 times the other. Find them. So what? Let one number is x. Then what is the second number? Second number it will become the, let the second number is y. Second number is y. First number. Second number is what will be? Second number will be the y. It is saying the difference between two numbers is 26, means let the x is greater than y. condition we are thinking, so that we can write x minus y is equal to what? 26. It is equation number 1 we got according to question. And it is one number is 3 times the other. One number is 3 times the other. So what is that number? X is greater we thought. So this number is 3 times greater than the y, means 3x, okay, is equal to what? Y is equal to 3x, because x is equal, otherwise that x is greater thinking, then this number is 3 times then greater than the y. This is 1, then this will become the 3x, then it will become the 3x. If we making the equal, then means what is the meaning here? Y is equal to 3x, because of y, that number is greater than, y is equal to 3x, y greater than. So this is equation number 2. This is equation number 2 we thought in that way. Now if the y is greater, otherwise it can be x is equal to 3y, that also equation number 2. So you use this equation for that purpose. So we are keeping this x is equal to in that equation number 1. So substituting x is equal to 3y into equation number 1. So what will come? X, behalf of x, what writing? 3y minus y is equal to what? 26 is equal to what? 26. 3y minus y is equal to 2y. 2y is equal to 26. Then y is equal to what? 26 by 2 is equal to 2 1 ja 2, 2 13 ja. Y is equal to 13. We got the one number, that is the smaller number. That is the smaller number. Greater number what? It is written x is equal to 3y. Keeping y is equal to 13 into equation number 2. What is that? X is equal to 3 into y. What value? 13. Then x is equal to 39. So what are the two numbers? The two numbers are 39 and 13. 39 and 13. If you are subtracting in 39 minus 13 is equal to 26 only will come. All satisfied condition. In this time, if the y is greater, if y is greater than x, that time this one. But we taken x is greater than y, then this one it is. Like that. Now taking the another question. The larger of two supplementary angle exceeds the smaller by 18 degree. Find them. So first of all, let the angles. Which two angles? Let solution in that. Let two angles. Why two angle only taken? Because of supplementary. The two angles, the sum of two angles are 180 degree. Then they are called the supplementary angles. Two angles, x and y. And y. In that also x is greater than y we done. X is greater than y. So that is first condition given. The sum of two angles will be the 180 degree. It is supplementary. The larger of two supplementary angle exceeds the smaller by 18 degree. Now this is smaller. Now this is equation number 1. Now second condition what telling? Exceeds the smaller by 18 degree, means bigger number is that. This is the bigger, this is smaller. So this number will become the 18 degrees greater than that. If we are writing x is equal to what? In y we are adding the 18 degree, then that will become the exceeds the smaller by 18 degree, supplementary angles. So this is equation number x is equal to what? Y plus 18. It is equation number 2 hour. It is equation number 2 hour. Now keeping x value into equation number 1. So here writing substituting equation 2 into equation 1. To behalf of x, what writing? Y plus 18 plus y is equal to 180 degree. It is y plus y 2y. 2y plus 18 is equal to 180 degree. 18 degree. Then 2y is equal to 180 degree minus 18 degree. Then 2y is equal to what we got? 180 minus 18 is equal to 162. Then y is equal to what? 162 divided by the 2. Then it will become the 81 degree. It is become the 81 degree. Then y is equal to 81 degree. Y angle we got, and y is the smaller angle. Then what will be the x angle? What is the second angle? That this value keeping into the equation number 2. Okay, keeping y is equal to 81 degree into equation number 2. So what we got? X is equal to y behalf of y plus 18. Then x is equal to y value, what we got? 81 plus 18 degree. Then x is equal to 81 plus 18 degree is equal to 99 degree. 99 degree it is of that. So if you are adding this one, this will become the 81 plus 99, it will become the 180, and that's all the answer. The first angle is 99 degree, second angle is 81 degree. Let's another one question. And remaining question here, question number 3 and 4. Question number 3 and 4, that is your homework. Question number 3 and 4, that is the homework. If you are feeling difficulty in that, comment on that. It will be also, video can be done on that. If you are liking the video, please share, like and subscribe. Now it is the fourth question number 5. A fraction become 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both the numerator and denominator. So first condition. Second condition, if 3 is added to both the numerator and denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. Find the fraction. Let fraction is. So fraction we are writing in the form of a by b or x by y. So x by y. Let the x and y. This is a let fraction is x by y form. First condition what telling? It is first condition telling, first condition writing, so that first condition what? A fraction become 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both. 2 is added x by y fraction. In the 2 is added both numerator also and denominator also. It become the 9 by 11. 9 by 11 it become. So this is our first equation. Now solving it by the cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication, because of you learned in the 8th standard. So it can be written like this: 11 into x plus 2 is equal to 9 into y plus 2. Y plus 2. So this will become the 11x plus 22. 11 2s are 22 is equal to 9 into y, 9y plus 9 into 2, 18. This can be written 11x minus 9y is equal to 18 minus 22. This number taken go this side, this number taken come this side. It will become the 11x minus 9y is equal to minus 4. Equation number 1 we got. What we got? Equation number 1. Now we are going to condition number second condition. What telling is second condition? Second condition telling, if 3 is added to both the numerator and the denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. So what was that our equation, our fraction? X by y. In that 3 is added, both side added 3. 3 added both side. It become what? It become the 5 by 6. 5 by 6. So here again cross multiplication we are doing. We can write it like this: 6 into x plus 3 is equal to 5 into y plus 3. So this multiplies 6 into x, 6x plus 6 into y, 6 into 3, 18 is equal to 5 into y, 5y plus 5 into 3, 15. Next number, variables and numbers. 6x minus 5y is equal to 15 minus 18. 6x minus 5y is equal to minus 3. Equation number 2. Now we got the two equation. Now we have to substitution. Same method we are following. Suppose that let me writing up and down ones. The first equation is 11x minus 9y is equal to minus 4. It is equation number 1. Second equation, 6x minus 5y is equal to minus 3. Equation number 2. In that, now we have to choose any one equation. Suppose that first one chosen. So we are choosing the x value also. So it can be written 11x is equal to minus 4 plus 9y. Then x is equal to minus 4 plus 9y divided by 11. And this is equation number 3. This is equation number 3. Now we are writing substituting equation number 3 into equation number 1 we choose. Now we have to keep into the equation number 2. Into equation number 2. So what we got? We got the 6 into x, behalf of x. What we get? Minus 4 plus 9y by 11. Minus 5y is equal to minus 3. Now we can solve it like this way. Six into 4 is 24, minus 24 plus 6 into 9 54 y by 11 minus 5y is equal to minus 3, is equal to minus 3. Now denominator is 11, we have to multiply it by the total by the 11. So this will come the minus 24 plus 54y minus 55y, 11 5 is 55y is equal to minus 33. 11 3 is 33. Now in that, so this can be written minus 24 minus y, 54 minus 55 is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 now writing y is equal to minus 33. Minus y is equal to minus 33 plus 24. Then minus y is equal to 33 plus minus 33 plus 24 is equal to 9. Is equal to 9 it will come. Minus 9 or minus cancel, so y is equal to we got 9. Y is equal to what we got? 9. Now keeping this value, keeping y is equal to 9 into equation number what we got? Equation number, that time we got equation number 3rd. Okay, into equation number 3rd. And what was the equation? Equation was this: x is equal to minus 4 plus 9y by 11. This was the equation. In that keeping y is equal to 9, then x is equal to minus 4 plus 9 into 9 by 11. 9 into y value 9. So x is equal to minus 4 plus 81 by 9, 11. Then x is equal to 9 9 is 81. 81 minus 4 is equal to 77. 77 by 11. Then x is equal to, we got the 11 1 ja 11, 11 7 ja 77. X and y we got the this. Now what will be the fraction? Fraction means x by y. So fraction will be that 7 by 9. 7 by 9. The fraction will be 7 by 9. If we add the 2 and the 3, then the condition will be satisfied. That next we are going next question. In that it is saying that 5 years hence the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. 5 years hence from here. Let the first one, father and the son both are. So let age of Jacob thought x and son we got the y, years. Now we telling 5 years hence the age of Jacob. Hence means after this one. Now present age is x and y. In that after the 5 years, that will also become that first condition. That first condition. So what will be first? It is also will become x plus 5 Jacob, and that also will become y plus 5. Become 3 times that of his son. 3 times means it will become that x plus 5 is Jacob. It will become the 3 times equal, become 3 times of that his son Jacob. This is the equation. It will become 3 into y plus 5. Now we can multiply it like this. It can be written x plus 5 is equal to 3 into y, 3y plus 3 into 5, 15. We can write it x minus 3y is equal to 15 minus 5. Then x minus 3y is equal to 10. Equation number 1 we got. Now what telling? Condition number 2. Condition number 2. Second condition. What is the second condition? It is saying that 5 years ago means before the 5 year. Now this is this one. Suppose that now you are 10-year old. Before 5 year, how much you are old? 5 year only. So like that only. So it is that it will become x minus 5 and that will become the y minus 5. This is Jacob, this is the son. Jacob age was 7 times Jacob age was 7 times of that his son. So this is the second one. So what become? X minus 5 is equal to 7 into y, 7y minus 35. Now we can write x minus 7y is equal to minus 35 plus 5. So we can write x minus 7y is equal to minus 30. This is equation number 2. Equation number 2 we got. First condition, second condition. Now we have to find out in that same things. In that, choosing the equation number 1, we can write x is equal to 10 plus 3y. It is equation number 3. Now substituting equation 3 into equation 1, equation 2. 1 we choose, 2 we keeping. So what in that place? We have of x. It will become the 10 plus 3y minus 7y is equal to minus 30. So we can write it 10 minus 4y is equal to minus 30. Then minus 4y is equal to minus 30 minus 10. So minus 4y is equal to minus 40. Minus minus cancel. So y is equal to 40 divided by 4 is equal to 10. Means y is equal to 10 years. And who is the y? Y is the son. Son is 10 years. So what will be the Jacob age? What will be the Jacob age? Keeping this value into equation number 3. Okay, y is equal to 10, keeping into equation number 3. So x value what? X is equal to 10 plus 3y. 3 into y. Y value what? 30. 10. Y is equal to what? 10. Then x is equal to 10 plus 30. Then x is equal to 3 10 is 30. 40 years. How much? The Jacob age. Jacob is 40 years and son is 10 years. So here we completed one exercise, total one exercise. That is the third exercise. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share, comment. Your comment is very much required. Why? Because of if you are commenting, then we can improve also, and we can make the video on that point also. Whichever, not only this topic only, any other topic you want the video, you please comment that which video you want next, on which that in maths which topic it want, which lesson want. Okay, that also. Thank you. Subscribe the channel.